Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to download files from your Dropbox mobile application. Now let us begin. As you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in. It is quite easy. If you don't know how to log in, we have created a video regarding that as well. Now let's simply look at how to download the files from your Dropbox mobile application. Well, right here as you can see, these are all the files that are in my Dropbox. Now let's say I want to download a few of them. Simply click and hold on the file that you want to download. I'm gonna select a few. And at the top right, you can see a button like this. That is simply more, those three dots. Just click on it. It's gonna give you a few options. And the thing we're looking for is at the very top that says Save to Device. I'm gonna click on it right now. And guys, that is it. As you can see, the files are being exported or simply downloaded right now. I'm gonna open files and show it to you right now. And guys, this is it. As you can see, the files have been downloaded to my mobile device. That's it guys. That's how you download files or photos from your Dropbox mobile. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.